There's his propane tank. I don't know if I got this big trailer before, but it's about 30 feet long. The dumpster is his, I believe. You can see the siding does need repair in places. He was cutting this concrete slab, it looks like. I love that. The deed says 622 Boat Dock Drive, I believe. This says 623. It's sad going in here. Looks like they left after a weekend here. Maybe didn't feel like cleaning up so much. So let's go in. Okay. So the living room is here. There's the dining room, the kitchen. You can see laundry not folded, the vacuum cleaner out. How sad. I think I turned that fan on earlier. You can see lithographs on the wall. I love that little lamp. And here's the dining room. The kitchen with cute little stools. I haven't seen any mice yet. Here's the kitchen. Okay. All right, back into the living room. TV. This is where they love to be. Was in their armchairs at the lake. Here's their bedroom. Guess who made that? Closet. And then looking out into the living room from the bedroom. Here's their bathroom. This has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So again, you can see they left. They probably didn't feel good. Maybe mom didn't feel good last time they were up here and wanted to go home. And the bathroom needs some cleaning. Very nice. And then into a utility area. There's a door to the side of the house. A freezer. Actually a refrigerator freezer with Tecate in there. And then back into the kitchen. There's the living room again. And here's the other 2 bedrooms and bathroom. I know 2 kids that loved coming up here. I recognize that. recognize some of those guys. Looks like Ryan's been up here. But anyway, you know, you could just see that there was their last time here, their last couple of times here was difficult. And the other bedroom, looks like maybe they'd gotten a new mattress or something. Not sure what's going on there. Okay.